One of the biggest misconceptions about chiropractic care is that it's just about back pain. But here's what most people don't realize. Your spine doesn't just support your body, it protects your nervous system, the system that controls everything in your body. So when something is off in the spine, it's not just about pain. It can affect how your body actually functions. I'm Dr. Tam, and after working with thousands of patients in the Vacaville and Solano County area, I've seen something that most people have never connected. People come in with back issues, and sometimes they leave noticing improvements in things they never expected, like bladder control, digestion, or even reproductive organ and reproductive function. Not because chiropractic cures those conditions, but because how the nervous system actually works. So let's break down the 5 biggest chiropractic myths people are still believing in 2026. Now, what's actually happening inside your body? Let's dive in. Most people don't avoid chiropractic because they've tried it. They avoid it because, well, that's what they've heard. They avoid it because of what they've heard. They just crack the bones. Oh, it's dangerous. You'll be stuck doing it forever. But here's the real issue. The spine and nervous system are massively misunderstood, and you don't understand the mechanism. And because you don't understand the mechanism, you underestimate the impact. Well, let's fix that. Put bones back into place. This is the most common and the most misleading belief. Your spine is not casually just popping out of place everywhere, where your bones are flying left and right. If it were, you'd be dealing with a serious medical emergency. But what's actually happening? Your spine houses and protects your nervous system, the communication highway between your brain and the entire body. When certain joints of the spine lose proper motion and become restricted, well, it can create pressure or irritation around the nearby nerves. And here's where it gets interesting. Those nerves don't just control muscles, like muscles here and muscles there. It travels to different organs and systems throughout your entire body. For example, we've seen patients with pressure around the lower back spine, like the L4 and L5, and they have to go to the bathroom constantly. Now, less frequent, maybe chronic digestive discomfort, where they improve their irregularity and certain reproductive complaints, they notice changes. Now, let's be clear, chiropractic is not a cure for organ disease, but if a nerve that communicates with that part of your body is under stress, and that stress is reduced, it makes sense that that function will improve. Going to the bathroom better, number 1, number 2. Now, that's the difference. We're not putting bones back, we're helping restoring proper communication and proper function in your nervous system. Now, let's address the thing that freaks people out the most. That cracking sound. Some love it, some hate it. Cracking sound means that something is breaking, the bone's breaking. Well, the pop you hear, it's not bones breaking, it's pressure releasing inside that joint, called a cavitation. Gas bubbles form and collapse in the joint fluid. But here's what actually matters. The sound is irrelevant. What matters is joint movement improves, muscle tension decreases, nervous system input changes, and when that happens, the body often responds. Sometimes that response is less pain, sometimes it's better mobility, and sometimes, unexpectedly, it's better function in areas people don't even connect to their pattern, like bladder, bowel movements, and reproductive organs. Now let's talk about safety, because this one gets blown way out of proportion online. Chiropractic adjustments are extremely dangerous. Well, that's what people have heard. Let's be real. Every healthcare intervention carries some level of risk, but here's what the data consistently shows. Serious complications from chiropractic care are rare, especially when performed correctly. What actually matters is proper evaluation, knowing when to adjust, what not to, understanding the patient's full history, and here's the part most people miss. Avoiding care doesn't eliminate risk. Living with chronic nerve irritation, poor movement, ongoing dysfunction, well, that has consequences also. The question is there risk? The question is, what risk are you choosing? Now let's kill the myth that keeps people stuck. Once you start, oh my gosh, I gotta keep going forever. This belief comes from misunderstanding how care actually works. See, chiropractic care isn't a subscription. It's a tool. Some people come in, they get relief, restore movement, and they move on with their lives. Others choose to continue because they feel better, they function at a higher level, and just like exercise, stretching, physical therapy, seeing an athletic trainer, no one's forcing you to continue, but when people experience less pain, better movement, improved function, they often choose to maintain it, just like brushing your teeth. Now, for the biggest myth, and we're going to handle this one carefully. Chiropractic cures everything under the sun. Let's be clear, chiropractic is not a cure-all. It does not replace medical treatment, necessary diagnosis, proper disease management, but here's the mistake people make. They swing too far one way and assume that, well, chiropractic is only about back pain. That's not accurate either, because when you improve joint function, movement, nervous system communication, you're not just affecting the pain, you are affecting how the body operates and how it communicates. And that's why some patients notice changes beyond what they actually expect. Now, it's not magic, it's not cure, it's just better function. The spine isn't just structural, it's neurological. When you understand that, chiropractic makes a lot more sense. Not as a miracle cure, but as a powerful tool for improving how your body actually functions. If this helps you see chiropractic differently, subscribe for more videos breaking down how the body actually works. And I want to hear from you. What is your biggest myth you have heard about chiropractic? Drop it in the comments below. And if you want to understand the biggest mistakes people make when trying to fix their back or nerves issues, watch this next video.